Funny dog. Funny dog. Where say I go on fire? Why they hold it off, you know? You may say now. You know, say, we just see Charlene round us, you know. Yeah, man. And a be a thing she a go on with her suck out tongue and bag of thing. See a man lap and so, you know. What you say? Lie you tell me. You know, some man not inform me now. Make you see me a virgin. I have to go show you the 100. Make you know, say, yo, that girl they don't loyal. Yo, me tell you already over and over, you know. Say, don't come here, can't tell me about my woman, you know. You know, I try to mash up my relationship. To you now, no woman at your yard, you know me, no woman at my yard. So that I say. That's I don't love the day, you know, because a man tell that thing I don't build by myself, you know. Anyway, do what you do. Because this year I try this me. You understand? I come out of your yard. I come back to my yard for you. Alicia! Alicia! Come on, the blast it, the man. Alicia!
Yes, Daddy.
What go on? We know say you and your mother close, you know. What's going on with you and your mother? If you say your mother cheat for me, you know.
No, Daddy. What make you with that thing, Daddy?
And one thing me I tell you, you know. I don't want to ramp on me, you know. But anyway, me go know, because Jamaica people do a thing all the while. Because go look, one coconut, can we go find out today? Me not have to go nowhere. We'll find out today. You ready? Come on, go pick one coconut. Come here to find out today. You can't go on so. I pull you in my teeth in business. I do want son I want, you know. But since you come, you have to unite. So what you got teeth and you know? Who go look out? You can't pick coconut?
What's up?
Yeah. Oh, that God. The coconut tree there's a coconut funny. You go and go pick the coconut. No time and watch. Because I virgin every day in talk about the coconut. So if you have teeth fast. If you make a woo sound, you know say you run. You can't jump fence.
No, sir.
Go on the hospital and then. Because you don't want the man catch up on you. The man have been license for your arm.
So make you not go and go pick it and me turn and watch.
But you can't talk. You can't say woo. Say woo.
Woo!
You don't sound like a woman. You can't go hear you.
Woo!
No, I find your first man. Go and pick coconut. How we are do? You can't climb tree, you can't climb a mango tree, climb a coconut tree. Look at the lines you on back, man. The take one lines come out over there, man. Oh, God. Now I get you trade. Hurry up, my daughter. Hurry up. Woo!
Yo, wait up one. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Are you come and have a check?
Yeah, man.
You understand? Spin the roll. Can I try to hold it down? Check the eye. You see, as you drive, everybody try your market. As you start driving markets, everybody begs. You don't see it? They might try to hold it down. Them bad mind, yo. Look over there, sir. Yo, yeah, look over there, sir. Look to the east. Look to the west. Clear me, clear. Clear me, no, for me, I come from. Clear me, clear you. No man stress you out, no man stress you out. Go and do your thing, you. You go make it. You're good, you. Yo, me link you later. Alicia! Alicia! Look at girl. Oh, you take some with the coconut? A man, you had to go before you come back with the coconut.
No. Last me we are.
I go stop making wear the hot things them. You just a come from country down here. Me no want your kid style down here. Me no want no hotness. You see me a rasta, me ruggy. By next month, you better start relax too. You hear me? Give me coconut. I go find out if your mother cheat. I go find out if your mother cheat. Cause cheat and thief, we can't work together, we can't live together. She have to go wait to come back a country. Come back a country. Look in the fridge. You see one cup in there? Can you come and throw the coconut water at night? Cause when me vex not to coconut water, I don't want to drink. I want to just chop the coconut and know what I go on. If I cheat, your mama cheat. Or what? Thank you, my daughter. Not you want the water, but you go listen. You want to drink your drink. I want to find out what I go on in my world. You ready? What do you think? What do you think result going to be? Cheat or not cheating?
Not cheating.
You better make sure. Oh. Boy! Lord have mercy, no job. Rasta can't take it. Come. We not go left. When you pack up your things, them other things, and everything go out and work with you. Yeah. Everybody go back. We can't take it down here. We can't take it down here. Come. Wanna come on. Girl, come on, come pack up the things there. We can't hang here, it can't work. I know that in this COVID time, you're at home and you're bored and you need things to watch. So now we're putting in new content. Be your work. So I sweat, I work for Uno. So enough respect, I'm soon been putting back in the work by watching and subscribing and leaving in the comments. It's always good to hear what you think about what we're doing. Remember to subscribe and like and tell us what you like the most about whatever. Right, just leave a comment. Comment and I can know say yeah, watch. And enough respect again. We'll continue working for you, bringing entertainment to reality. Bunny down.